A drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle, or UAV for short. The first drone in history was made back in 1849 Italy, when Venice was fighting for its independence from Austria. Austrian soldiers attacked Venice with hot air balloons with bombs. The first main-used drone is known as the Queen Bee. It has electronic speed controllers, which controls a motor's speed and direction, a flight controller, a GPS module, battery, and much more. A drone's features also vary based on how you use it. Some examples are various types of cameras with high performance, zoom and gimbal, Steadicam, and tilt capabilities. People fly drones for fun. They are known as recreational pilots, while other people do it for pay. Those are usually commercial pilots that are paid to fly their drones. In order to fly a drone for fun, your drone must be under 55 pounds, and you must be a citizen of the United States. In order to become a drone pilot, you have to be 16 years old, be able to read, speak, write, or pass the initial aeronautical knowledge exam. John Guarino is a commercially licensed drone pilot. He has been flying drones professionally for 8 years.
To fly a drone, if you want to fly a drone commercially, meaning for money or for some kind of compensation, you need a Part 107 license. It's 60 questions. You take that. I forget what the actual passing rate is, but you do have to pass the exam. You get it, and then every 2 years you just go online and re-up that license every 2 years, and it's only 40 questions at that point.
Drones are also used for racing with the Drone Racing League. The best drone pilots in the world fly in the league, and millions of fans watch them race on NBC, YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, combining groundbreaking technology and immersive drone racing.